Guys, today we show you how to fix Perplexity connection error easy and quick. So to fix this problem, you should open the settings of your phone, click at apps option, search for Perplexity and click. Scroll this list down right now, click storage option, click clear cache. Back after this, click on force stop, click OK. Then click on battery and just make sure that is enabled on optimized mode. After this, just go turn on your airplane mode, turn off it, then go to Play Store, check that your app it's updated on the last version. If it is not updated, you have to update it. And the last step is very easy, restart your device, and that's it. I hope guys this video was useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next tutorial.